Welcome to our guide on using Discord for communication. In this video, we'll explore how to get the most out of this popular platform. Let's start by creating your Discord account. Follow these simple steps to sign up and personalize your profile. Now that your account is set up, let's take a look at the interface: servers, channels, direct messages, and notifications. You can join existing communities or create your own server. Here's how to find communities and set up your own server. Text communication is strong on Discord. Learn how to use channels, format messages, and utilize emojis and reactions. You can also communicate through voice and video. Here's how to set up voice channels and start video calls. Bots can enhance your server experience, from moderation to fun games. Here's how to add them to your server. Stay safe on Discord by adjusting your privacy settings. Here's how to block users and report issues. Manage your notifications and organize channels effectively for a more enjoyable user experience. In conclusion, we've covered key features for communication on Discord. Explore and enjoy connecting with others.